Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, as I speak to you today, I feel very excited to invite you to attend the Emirates Society of Emergency Medicine Conference in December here in Abu Dhabi. After spending most of the past 2 years at a distance, I am sure you are equally thrilled to attend the conference in person for a state-of-art scientific program. The conference will provide you with an ideal opportunity for our emergency medicine community to meet, to renew old contacts, and to make new ones. And above all, exchange information and experiences from across the globe. ESEM 2022 is a must-attend conference for all emergency professionals. It will have more than 22 tracks, 8 innovative pre-conference courses, 3 plenary sessions delivered by more than 100 emergency medicine experts from around the world. Participants in the conference will enjoy an up-to-date scientific program focusing on the widest array of topics through courses, hands-on workshops, symposium, plenary sessions, and presentations. Moreover, this year, we are also introducing Emergency Department Quality Improvement Professional Certification course. This is a 3-day intensive professional development course with an optional certification exam from emergency medicine clinicians delivered by the Department of Emergency Medicine at Harvard Medical Faculty Physicians at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. Lastly, we are hopeful to deliver a high level of up-to-date research with a great turnout of more than 300 abstract submissions. This is a special year for us because we will be celebrating 10 years since the establishment of the Emirates Society of Emergency Medicine. We would like you to join our celebration at ESEM 22. Please visit our website and register for the pre-conference workshops and the conference. We are very much looking forward to your participation and physically welcoming you in Abu Dhabi.